welcome to MarineMax in Summers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr, and today I'm standing on this beautiful, brand new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS Outboard, and this is our South Beach edition. So starting back here on the swim platform, that's transom of the boat, you can see this is equipped with the white Mercury 300 Verados. These are the new V8s that are naturally aspirated, and it is joystick piloted as well, as I can go over when we get up to the helm. This boat's equipped with the Havana ultra leather. So with the ultra leather, it feels like real leather, but it actually is a vinyl. So it's fade resistant, it's treated. It actually has a print on there that makes it feel just extra luxury. As you can see throughout the boat, it just looks amazing. You can control your Rockford Fosgate stereo back here, and we do give you the Reverso auto flush system. So you can flush your engines very easily with just a press of a button, hook that up, and you don't have to worry about fighting with anything off the side of the engine to flush that. You can see as we go into the cockpit of the boat, this does have the very expansive hardtop. What this gives you is a lot of shade, and then as well as you get the sunshade that comes off the back here and then covers these back seats. Back here, this seat does go down, so you can make this one giant sun pad. Just really great for entertaining, hanging out with friends and family while you're out on the water, enjoying your boating that day. As you can see as we come around here, nice wraparound seating as well as on the port side over there. They do hide the cup holders very nicely so you don't have anything that you have to trip over. You can get in there and reach those nicely, and then while he's zooming in there, you can also see that awesome stitching that they do on the ultra leather. Over to the port side, we do have your Kenyon grill. So this is an electric grill. One of the great things about these, so you kind of look at, all right, I'm going to have 10 people on board. It looks a little small. You do get heating all the way across the surface. So when you're cooking, you can actually have burgers all the way out to the edge here. So you can really put 8 or 10 burgers on here at a time and cook some food. And then it's got a tray underneath. Once it fills up, you can just take that out. You can switch them out. So very nice and easy to use. Freshwater sink. And then you also have refrigerator freezer down there as well with your trash can over to this side. As we continue forward, again, you can see those nice Rockford Fosgate speakers. And then we're going to head over here to the helm area. You get twin 9-inch Simbrads. Everything is all touchscreen, so it's very user-friendly for owner-operator. I tell my customers all the time, this is kind of like playing with an iPhone or an Android. Just the more you mess with it, the more you're going to learn. It does so much stuff, but don't get yourself overwhelmed. It's very user-friendly as you're being able to be out on the water that day. Over here, you got your Mercury throttles. So this has the start-stop button. You can do the auto trim. And then you come with your joystick as well. One of the things I love about the Mercury joystick, you have an auto heading, which is similar to your autopilot, so you can set that just kind of from us in New Jersey. If you're heading down to Cape May, you're going down to Ocean City, Maryland, you're out in the ocean cruising along, just hit that. Just keep an eye and make sure you don't hit any crab pots or anything like that. But it's awesome. It's almost like your autopilot, and you can adjust as you're doing that with just a twist of the joystick. You get your skyhook function as well. So if you are pulling into a restaurant and you're waiting for a slip to open up, or even at home if you just wanted to run around and tie up some fenders or something, get your dock lines ready, you can use that skyhook digital anchor feature. Just makes it easy for you as the captain. If you have people on board that don't really know what they're doing with boating, you can kind of run around real quick and get everything ready before you go into your slip. And then you do get a nice charging station over here and your trim tabs as well, so you can level out the boat if you're running with an uneven load of people that day. We're going to check out the cabin in a minute. I'm going to go up to the bow first and just show you the way. Again, they use this design feature like we're starting to see more and more on some of the boats. Great double use of boat. So this could be a weekend boat if you got 2 kids, husband and wife with 2 kids. You could go down to, again here, you're going to go down to Cape May, Ocean City, Maryland, run up north to our brick area and check that out as well. So very user-friendly. And then up to the bow, most of the time with a cabin boat like this, you're not going to have bow seating. You might have a couple of pads up there. This gives you a huge wraparound seating area. You have a filler cushion that can go in here that you can really just, I mean, I could have 6 people up here just hanging out, having cocktails, enjoying the time. You got your stereo controls up here. Again, the cup holders are hidden away. You have charging stations for your phones. You have armrests that flip down. It's just a super comfortable. Again, that ultra leather is great. Just great for entertaining, great for having family and friends aboard and enjoying that time on the water. We are going to swing back around here. I'm going to head down into the cabin area. Nice big door. One of the things I love that Cruisers does, they give you this little screen area. So if you don't want, if it's a nice day like this and you don't need that AC pumping, just throw this across. You can keep the bugs out, but you can still get that nice breeze in and out. Just the little things that they do, the attention to detail to make it comfortable for you and your guests. Heading down in, nice stairway to come down. It's not too steep. You come down into a seating area / eating area with a television up front. Again, sound system all over the place. And then this does convert into probably going to be about a full-size bed, but you can pull this side up and it slides across, and that way you have a sleeping area. They give you your microwave oven up there, some more stereo controls, and then your use of space is great. Again, that kind of just pop this cushion up, and there's all your stuff for your shore power and generator, be able to run and turn anything on and off that you need. And then on the side over here, again, another refrigerator. It's all about entertainment. You want to be able to have drinks and cocktails, and then some storage. And then you go back to the aft sleeper back there. They do give you a ton of pillows that you can use as decoration. You can use them for sleeping, whatever you need, but that's a nice sleeper back there. And then over to the starboard side, nice large head compartment. This is a wet head, but you are able to shower. Obviously, again, this boat's perfect for, even if you're using it for just daily use, being able to shower off if you went to a sandbar. But again, those kind of long weekends that you could do with this, the boat is very accommodating for 4 people to have 3 or 4 nights overboard. It's got everything that you need, entertainment-wise, food-wise, all that. So this is again the brand new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS South Beach Edition. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule a private walkthrough, you can call us here at MarineMax in Summers Point at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.